Hello, it's CryptoWealth speaking. In this video, I'm going to talk about on how to use the TradingView. TradingView is a mobile application, or it can be a web-based program that helps one analyze the market. So as traders, we can trade cryptocurrencies, we can trade forex, we can trade indices, we can trade. But remember, as the market moves, it moves while creating charts. Okay, so we have the three types of markets. We have the bearish market, the bullish market, and also the sideways market, or the market which is indecisive. Okay, but before that, we'll be explaining more in details what all those are. But in this video specifically, I'm going to explain on how we can use TradingView to analyze the market, specifically the special term they use to trace and read the past data of any given commodity that we are selling, that is creating these charts that are moving up and down or in sideways, is called technical analysis. Therefore, we are going to be reading some data of some specific coins. Specifically, I'm going to be talking about cryptocurrencies or analyzing cryptocurrencies. So from you can use either a web-based, you use your web browser like Google Chrome, you open it and then you type in tradingview.com, then you sign in. Okay, so far I am going to use a mobile application. I'm going to sign in. Already I'm signed in, so therefore let us dive in. So this is the application I am talking about. So I'm going to show you how we can customize this application, and then shortly I'm going to show you some of the basics and some of the skills that we can use to determine like how the market is moving. Okay, so let us dive in. So I'm going to open this application. Okay, so far as it is open, this is the interface. We have started with this home page. Then I'm going to be opening this area which has the word chart, okay, to see the charts. So as you can see, I'm going to touch in my screen like this to adjust so that I can see what we call the candlesticks. You touch within the screen like to adjust. You can adjust moving up and down, or touching it to maximize or minimize. Okay, now this is what I have. But what you can see, I have an indicator. We'll be talking about indicators. What indicators are? They like plugins that help us analyze the market easily. Okay, those are just indicators. They indicate something. Okay, they can show you that market is now forming this. So this is a smart money concepts indicator. And also down here, this you see with histograms is a MACD indicator, the moving averages, convergence, divergence indicator. And then this that is forming the change of character, the boss or the the break of structure, the weak low, the strong high. That's also an indicator, but this one is called a smart money concept indicator. But I'm going to remove it so that it will remain with an interface that is provided to us by default. Okay, so let us do that. I'm going to click on this part. Okay, I want to click on this part so that I can delete this indicator. Okay, so I want to delete this, and then also delete this. Now, so far we are not bad. Yeah, so far we are not bad love. Okay, so now I'm going to increase the width. I'm going to increase the width of the so this is how the chart looks like. So I'm on this coin called Troy. But so far so good. I want us to introduce what we call to the tools, okay? The tools we can use in our journey of analyzing the market. So I'm going to touch on this button, okay? I'm going to touch on this button that looks like a pen, okay, so that I can choose my tools that I'm going to be using. We have what we call trend lines, okay? I'm going to choose this trend line. I will show you how it works. I'll use the extended line. I will use the vertical line, okay? I will also use which other line, which other I will not, okay, you can also add in the Fibonacci retracement tools, the fib channels, the what, but I'm going to look for this tool that I commonly use. Okay, they are a lot, it is well equipped. So okay, you can use the long position tool for those forex traders, okay, for all features traders, and also like you can choose the long position and the short position tools for those that trade features or forex, okay, forex also, not all. Then we have the okay, I was also looking for this tool, the price range tool, okay? So what you do, you long place and you say add to favorites, it will be added. Then you long place this one, you say add to favorites. You long place this one, you say add to favorites. You long place the vertical one to favorites, the horizontal array favorites, the Fibonacci retracement tool, you say add to favorites. I'm looking for, where is the rectangle? I'm also looking for okay, was the short position, though I'm not going to use it, let me leave it alone. The price range, I cannot leave this one out, I'm choosing it. Where is another one? You cannot leave this rectangle, it is used to draw zones, okay? I can stop at that. Hey, even I have the text tool, cannot forget this. The call out tools, hey, though I cannot explain each and everything, but you will also try them out, okay? So when I'm done, now I can go back. So these are now the tools, okay? So remember I explained that we have a bullish market. So a bullish market is represented by these green candles, like these green candles, okay? And then bearish market, a market that is moving down, a market that is fully controlled by the sellers, is represented by these red candles. So as you can see, this red candle is the one with a huge volume. It is very long. In fact, it created what we call a failure value gap. In fact, it's called an imbalance. Those are all technical terms we introduce, but you fully understand in details, okay? Then okay, so you can also change the background. I'm having a black background. You can change the background to your favorite. Then you can also change this data, this whole data which is in white, to the color you want. Like how I'm going to show you how. Simply click, are you seeing this button, like this, that one, okay? You click on it, then scroll down, look for more settings, click there, okay? Now I'm on the scales and lines. But if I want to show you how we can change the background, okay? I've clicked at back, then I will see all the settings I want. So then I will click on canvas. So the background is solid with black. I can change it to any color. I've given it a yellow color, okay? Then you can say okay. Then the text is white. The background, I click on background, so to give it a yellow color, and then I will say okay. Are you see? As you can see, so it is. So you can customize. Then I'm clicking back. Then again more settings. Now back. I'm now seeing the status line, the scales and lines, the canvas. I was on canvas, the horizontal lines, the watermark. You can put in a watermark. Say okay. Are you seeing? Okay. Are you seeing how it looks? Okay, see how it looks. Then I'm going to again click on then more settings. Then again the back setting I mean is this one here, okay, that one there. So when you click there, you now look for again canvas. You can remove the watermark, you can change the width, the lines you can change, you can fully customize to your preferred settings. Okay, now let me show you, like, I wanted to give this as a bonus on how at times we introduced we analyze the market but these are the basics: support and resistance. The support is the base, okay, the flow, and then the resistance is the ceiling, the top. Okay, at times when the market moves, it moves with these candlesticks. A candlestick has three parts on the, okay, three parts. Okay, a candlestick has, I'm going to show you, a candlestick has a wick. Okay, each candlestick has a wick. Let me increase the width. Okay, now, okay, so a candlestick, so this is our candlestick. So this first candlestick, I'm going to use this candlestick here. So that is the wick, but that is the high. Okay, then this is another wick, which is the low, and then this is the what? This is the body. But an example I'm using right now, this is a bearish candlestick. It is red in color, so it is a candlestick that represents sellers. Okay, so oh, I don't know, but I think I will make another video explaining in details the full analogy of the candlestick psychology. Okay, but I'm going to look for the high, okay, and then the low, okay, in this market, considering the 4-hour time frame. Okay, I will also explain what time frames are. I don't want to make this video so long. Okay, now I'm reducing. I'm going to look for the adjusting. So I'm going to look for the highest wick so far. If I long place in this candlestick here, this one here, okay, this candlestick is of 9th April. Okay, 9th April. Today is 13th, so I can go with the high of this. I will select this tool. I'm going to select this tool. I'm going to select this tool. Okay, the tool, this tool here. Now I will move this to this point. Okay, that is our high. I've marked our high, and then I will again select this tool, and then I will move to our last low. Okay, let me hope that it is this one with the latest candle that is moving. Okay, let me see. So far so good. That is it. If I move backward, I think this is the lowest, the pure lowest, and I think the market is still on it. The market is purely bearish. Okay, so now I'm going to look for more highs and lows, but within this area. Okay, I'm going to draw another high. So okay, maybe this is our next high. Okay, oh, this one here. Okay, then I'm going to look for another high. Okay, or swing high, this one here. Okay, I'm talking specifically of these zones of these areas. This one here, the other one there, then this one there. Okay, I'm going to draw another high. Okay, we are drawing supports and resistances. This one here. Okay, then I'm going to draw another high. This one here. Okay, then I'm going to draw another high there. Okay, so I've used high, but of course this is the low. Okay, and this is the high of that low. Okay, so therefore this is the support, and now this is the resistance. Okay, so then if the market moves and it breaks, okay, if the market moves and it breaks above this resistance or our ceiling, then this was once the ceiling, now becomes the floor or the support. Okay, then it will be looking forward to moving up to reach this other resistance. Okay, now this becomes our support, and now this becomes our resistance. Okay, so the same thing repeats itself. It is like that. So far so good. This was our resistance or our ceiling, but if the market breaks above it, it will become the floor or it will become the support, and then this one here will become the ceiling or the resistance. Now that is clear. So if the market moves, okay, if the market moves from this point up to that point and then it breaks above, we will look for a confirmation candle to see if it is going to continue up. So therefore, our target, after seeing the confirmation, we will get another, I'm going to click on this tool. It is called a price range tool, this one here, okay, to determine the price, like to determine the profit, okay, of how if it breaks above. So therefore it is looking for the resistance, okay. Then so if I get this support to this price range tool and I draw from that support or from maybe from my confirmation candle and I go up, I can calculate and see that we have like 30 or 38% to that what. The same if it goes against us, okay, use the same tool, come back here, okay, use the same tool, double tap, okay, no, back, no, back, okay, use the same tool, use this same tool, okay, come back from this area, then draw while going down, okay, so it will show you that this is negative 29, okay, the same. Okay, the same applies if it breaks above, okay, double tap, get this tool. If it breaks above this point, we look for the confirmation and then we draw our tool to get to the our in fact you can up to here you are determining your take profit and also your drop, okay. With this video I think I can stop here. Yes, I can stop here. Maybe we'll continue. I will continue with more explanations in this video. This was just support and resistance, the basics specifically. Okay, thank you very much.